Do you want to simplify your cooking preparations with an efficient and easy-to-use Cuisinart Immersion blender? In this video, we present Cuisinart Immersion blenders that offer good power, comfortable handling, and practical accessories. All the links are available in the description below. For effortless cooking, it is important to choose a sturdy, well-balanced appliance suited to your everyday needs. We have selected the 3 best Cuisinart Immersion blenders on the market. Tap the like button and subscribe for our upcoming home appliance comparisons. Here are the 3 best Cuisinart Immersion blenders, from the most affordable model to the most high-end. First, the Cuisinart CSB 175 SVP1 Immersion Blender is a practical and reliable kitchen tool designed for everyday blending tasks. Its powerful motor delivers consistent performance for mixing soups, sauces, smoothies, and purees directly in the pot or bowl, reducing the need for extra dishes. The stainless steel blending shaft is durable and easy to clean, while its slim design allows comfortable handling and precise control. This immersion blender is ideal for quick preparations, from creamy vegetable soups to homemade baby food. Simple to operate, it offers efficient blending without complicated settings, making it a great choice for users who value ease of use, compact storage, and dependable results in daily cooking. Next, the Cuisinart QuickChef HB400 PC Immersion Blender combines strong performance with versatility, making it suitable for a wide range of recipes. Equipped with a high-efficiency motor, it easily blends, whisks, and chops ingredients for soups, sauces, dips, and smoothies. Its ergonomic handle ensures a secure and comfortable grip, even during longer blending sessions. The detachable stainless steel shaft simplifies cleaning and storage, while the precise speed control allows you to adjust power depending on the texture you want. Designed for modern kitchens, this immersion blender helps save time and counter space while delivering smooth, consistent results for both simple meals and more elaborate preparations. Finally, the Cuisinart CSB 179 Immersion Blender is built for demanding home cooks who want professional-level performance. Featuring an ultra-powerful motor, it effortlessly handles tough ingredients such as nuts, frozen fruits, and thick vegetables. The robust stainless steel shaft provides durability and excellent blending precision, while advanced speed control offers smooth transitions from gentle mixing to intense blending. Its well-balanced design reduces fatigue and improves control, even during heavy-duty use. Ideal for soups, purees, smoothies, and sauces, this immersion blender delivers fast, efficient results and consistent textures, making it a dependable and high-performance addition to any kitchen. You can find the links to the products in the description below. Don't hesitate to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. See you next time for another product comparison.